Hi, I'm Adam Jennings, Senior Solutions Architect at DoubleCloud, and today I'm going to show you how to spin up a Kafka cluster inside DoubleCloud's managed environment. So the first thing I want to do is sign in. I'll go ahead and use my Google SSO to sign in. Once I'm in here, you can see that it starts on the Clusters tab. The very first thing I want to do is create cluster. I already have one running, but I'll show you how to create one. Go to Kafka. I'll leave it as Amazon. I'll go ahead and do EU Central 1. I can choose my type of resources, how big of the VMs I want to use, number of zones, number of brokers. Because it's a demo, I'll just leave it at Kafka. We'll call this demo 2 because I already have one running. And we'll go ahead and you can see up here in the upper right, summary of the costs. If I start adding extra zones and extra brokers, you can see that it's replicating that number of machines. So it goes to 6 hosts, and then the cost is proportional there. So I'll go ahead and drop it back down to 101 for my demo testing. I'll go ahead and hit submit, and it'll bring me back to the cluster screen. You can see this one's creating. I already have this one created, so I'll go in here. You can see that I have my connection strings, my user, my password, some information about my VPC. If I want to go over here to topics, I can go ahead. I already have one demo topic, so we'll create a second demo topic here. If I had more partitions or brokers, then I could go ahead and do some replication here. I'll go ahead and hit submit. And now I have 2 topics running in my Kafka environment, ready to be connected to with either one of these connection strings here, either public or private connection string.